Hi, RKavanugh here again with BISH'S RV here in sunny Junction City. It never rains here. Brand new 2022 Jayco Redhawk 24B. These are very popular motorhomes. It's sitting on a Ford chassis and the brand new Ford Godzilla V8. Much more fuel efficient than the old Triton V10 and more towing capacity, so it's a win-win. And that started in 2021. This is a 2022 Jayco. These things are known for their drivability and their handling. They're on the J-Ride system, so better suspension, better shocks than most manufacturers right out of the gate. You have a motorhome that drives great. Let's go have a look on the inside. So it's about 24 feet, so this is kind of a small Class C at about 24 feet. So great for couples or small families. At 24 feet, this is a lot of floor space. Look at how much space you have here with the big slide out. So a 24-foot motorhome normally is half this space on the inside. So this big, large slide out does a great job of just creating a big living room environment. Of course, with all Class Cs, you have the cab over bunk. This just folds right over and you've got a nice bed for two adults or children or whatever. You've also got a safety net here. So once that's up, prevents anything from falling. If you don't have any guests, this makes a great place to store your luggage or whatever, camping gear. It's a great place to store it, easy access. Of course, as I mentioned, it's sitting on the new Ford chassis and a new Ford engine. It's what they call the Godzilla V8. It's big and beautiful. You got a nice 10-inch monitor there with a backup camera and left and right cameras, so you get, really good visibility that way. These seats are really nice. They're easy to clean. They're very durable and very comfortable. So as we move back here you got your 40-inch TV and then what they call a U-shaped dinette. It's the same material here, easy clean and very comfortable. This dinette also converts into a bed if you need to. And this table moves around so you can adjust it as well. Here in the kitchen galley, lots of storage. You got 2 sinks here. You got a 3-burner gas stove, and you still get an oven. As I mentioned in some other videos, they're kind of doing away with ovens, but this one is optioned with the oven and a very large microwave. You also have the standard 6 cubic foot RV refrigerator. So the freezer, lots of space in the freezer. Pretty generous space in the refrigerator as well. This is a 2-way system, so if you like to boondock, this will run on propane. You got a nice closet here with really deep storage and a pull-out. Pantry. That's pretty cool, easy access. You have a lot more storage down here, and then of course in the bedroom, it's a nice queen-size bed. And what I really like about it, I really like the windows. It's light and bright. You can sit back, enjoy. You can watch TV. This doesn't currently have a TV in it, but that's very easy to install. No problem there. You also have a huge wardrobe back here. And of course you have a nice drawers here as well. And then of course you have the bathroom. You need the bathroom. Have a look. Very light and bright in the bathroom. So again, this is a brand new Jayco 2022 Redhawk 24B. These are hard to find. It's a very popular floor plan. Come on out today. Give me a call. My number's down here. Ask for me, Rob or Robert. I usually go by Rob, but you can call me anything. Take it for a test drive. I know you'll like it. Buy it today.